So today I'm going to show you how to use the curtain configurator. So I have a room with some curtains. We're going to delete one of these and we're going to go into the library and search for a configurator. Here we go. Pop it into place and let's take a look at the options. A whole slew of them. That's awesome. Alright, let's change the width to match my window, and yeah, let's turn on the net curtain. Great. And let's start choosing some materials. Rod, so some metals. I think I'm going to stick with a dark metal. Yeah. So you'll have options to configure to match almost anything out there with the materials we have available in Home by Me. And a selection of hardware that you can attach to the rods and the hooks, as well as cloth curtain holders. Let's see, I changed the ring hooks. There we go. There's some options in our catalog that are translucent. So I'm switching here to see. There we go. Nice pattern. Perfect. Here's a selection of hardware that we have. You see how it extended a bit further, so I'm just going to move the curtain out a little bit to match. There we go. Perfect. Additional hardware for the rods. And of course, we can change the way the curtain drapes. Change even the style of the curtain depending. There. I like this one. And that curtain, as well as sizes for each of these, you'll have options to manipulate to your heart's content. Yeah, give it a try. Make some dynamic curtains.